Good morning everyone, my name is Viet of Axis Partners and welcome to a very quick weekly Forex outlook. I am not going to be trading this week because I am going on annual leave from this Wednesday for 2 weeks. But habit is habit, so here is my weekly Forex outlook for this coming week. This video is unscripted. I haven't had the time to write up a proper script, so you will find that it is not as smooth and as well prepared as some of my earlier videos. First up is the Australian dollar Japanese yen on daily chart. It looks like price has just cleared off 86.40 support, and if price reaches 89.30, that is where I would be looking for signs from price action reversals to go short. Next currency pair is the Australian New Zealand dollar on daily chart. Now, I had a trade taken from 107.40 support on the 4-hour chart last week. I mentioned about this setup on my previous Sunday's video. I talked about looking for signs of buyers in control when price hit this level, and it did happen. I'll show you the exact candle that I saw. This was the candle here. So price opened for the week. It tested this level once, but it was too far away for me to take the trade, so I simply waited, and then it tested it again. After seeing this candle here, I went long right on the open of the next candle. I think it was took me 5 minutes in order to have my trading plan complete. Target was 2 to 1, 120 pips, somewhere around here, and that was hit luckily due to some kind of news. I always attribute all of my winners to luck because it really does come down to luck. It's the losers that need a little bit of skill to manage. Going back out to the daily chart, you can see that Friday finished off with indecision candle, which could suggest that price is about to reverse. However, so far today, there's no sign of that. In fact, if today's daily candle closes above 109.20, then that's going to be a strong case that this pair would continue its recent uptrend and could potentially get back to the previous high that it made in September, around about 113. Euro Australian dollar on daily chart. Last week there was a missed opportunity for me to trade, or at least I think there was, when price tested 1.50 level on the 4-hour chart. So I was watching this as price comes down to test support. Unfortunately for me, the following candle, buyers regained control of the price and the candle closed too high, and therefore the reward risk ratio is not justified for me to take the trade. It's below my break-even level. Going back out to the daily chart, I would say that if price retests this support level again this week, and there are signs that buyers are looking to take control back from sellers, then there is a strong case to take a long trade from here with a target of around about 153.20. Again, I'm not trading this week, so these are the things that I would normally do if I still be trading. Euro Canadian dollar. I need to update my support and resistance on this pair here because I don't have anything below that. Euro Japanese yen. The Euro Japanese yen had an interesting event this morning. Basically, price opened the week with a relatively big gap, 60 pips or so. For a while, it looked like support was broken. However, the 4-hour candle shows a lot of buying power beneath this level. And as of right now, it looks like this is turning into a reversal at support. This is not a setup that I would normally trade. I don't take trading signals on the smaller time frames on Monday. It'll be interesting to see how this trade progresses. EURUSD tested 1.0820 resistance level last week as well on the 4-hour chart. I'll show you right here. Again, I did see this. However, I needed to see strong signs of sellers taking control and going to push price down. I saw that with this candle that meets my requirement. It's the following candle that really puts me off the trade, because this candle here does not suggest anything about price action. It barely moved at all. So the signal was there, but it didn't meet the entire checklist that I needed it to. In hindsight, the trade would have worked out alright if I had a 2-to-1 target. Pound Japanese yen on daily chart. The aggressive long trade I mentioned last week turned out to have been profitable, and if anyone decided to take that gamble, then I hope you receive your payoff. For me, it was not a trade at all, simply because even if I was able to take target at 187.50, the reward to risk ratio is too small to justify the trade, given the fact that I'm trading with the percentage accuracy that I do. Pound USD. Price is looking to be testing support. You can see here, this is a very easy example of price action. So price moves in steps, breaks resistance, comes down to test it, bounces it off it as well. I actually saw this setup as it formed last week. However, this candle here, it almost has everything, but not quite everything. So USD Canadian dollar on daily chart, 1.3350 resistance level could be in play. So be on the lookout for signs of a reversal at this level here. But also keep in mind that there's been a relatively strong recent uptrend that started from 130.50. So if you're looking to trade a reversal of resistance here, be very, very cautious and be prepared to exit the trade at the first sign that buyers are still strong in the market. USD Japanese yen, this pair broke through 122 resistance, and this level could now turn into support. It looks like price has come back to it and buyers are coming into the market. When price action plays out like this, there is no way that I could have traded it. And finally, New Zealand Japanese yen on daily chart. It looks like resistance has held off last week, and now price could be heading out lower. My support level is tremendously long way away, 520 pips. So perhaps in the next 2 weeks while I'm away, there will be more price action for me to identify a level somewhere in here. Okay, then, let's have a look at the news calendar for this week. There's only one event that stands out for me, and that's the FOMC minutes on Wednesday. And also the Bank of Japan press conference and monetary policy on Thursday here. That's it for me for this week. I will be signing out and looking to return on a Sunday's video 3 weeks from now. I wish you profitable trading for the next 3 weeks and look forward to have you back when I return. Bye for now.